I'm Miguel Gutierrez. I'm with CAPREIT. We implemented iApartments a couple of years ago, and it went extremely well. A+++ is what I'd say as far as implementation goes. And we're a multifamily owner-operator. We operate in the Mid-Atlantic, the Southeast, the Northeast, and the Midwest. We have traditional multifamily properties. We're also in student housing and build-to-rent communities. At CityView, we implemented iApartments, and the team there really loves it. Our residents seem to really like it as well. It's been so helpful to not have to manage keys any longer. We've been able to get rid of our key tracking system and replace it with something much simpler and much more cost effective. Also, the residents no longer have the fear of getting hit with a big lockout fees. Lockouts have essentially disappeared. The leak sensors have been really helpful as well, because we're able to find out about leak issues early before any significant damage is done. So that's been a great thing as well. We've seen residents that have had significant savings on their utilities, not to mention our vacant units. We save a lot of money on the energy use there because we have this technology now. We have greater visibility into the operations of the property. At CityView in specific, we're in a market that has a lot of new product, and the new product is going to tend to have smart home features. We've been able to do some tremendous upgrades to bring the community current to compete with this new product, and that's one of the reasons why we put in smart home technology.